Hello aspirants, welcome to Edufy YouTube channel again. This is my fourth video in terms of continuation of series. As we know that the most expected questions that we predicted from the current affairs are have not come in NSSB, because this time the prediction of NSSB was quite different from the previous point of views. But we do not lose our hope, and we are still in hard work and in the continuation of bringing some very important questions in the terms of MCQs in upcoming series or upcoming videos. Now, the today's video is specially for the purpose of clarification of some geography explanation of recently that NSSB exams has got conducted. So if any student have their doubts with the geography subject through this MCQ, they can contact us through comments. We will definitely reply you. Without any further delay, let's jump into the NSSB geography questions. Okay, our first question is, the first, arrange the following locations in time sequence on the basis of solar noon. Now, let's understand the meaning first, then we will answer. The meaning of this question is, it is asking according to the sun ray or the sun over the head at the noon, that is 12, right, at the noon. This time, according to the head of, like sun is on the head, which in the cities, that cities has been given, according to the cities, which cities will fall first, second, third and fourth. All right. So here the common knowledge which aspirant require is the longitude understanding of India. We should know that our easternmost side and westernmost side, that is Arunachal Pradesh east, Gujarat west. Eastern and westernmost side of India are 97 to 67 approximate longitude in the east. All right. Now, when we talk about 97 to 67 longitude of India, that means India is lying in the middle of these longitude. That is 30 degrees difference, 30-degree longitude difference. And when we arrange these cities sequentially according to the 12 noon, that is sun is over the head, then you should calculate that sun comes from east. So easternmost city among the following: first, second most eastern city, third most eastern city, and fourth most eastern city. So now let's solve the question. Now, first option is Patna, second option is Lucknow, third option is Jaipur, and last option is Gandhinagar. Now we all know that Patna is the capital of Bihar, which is a northern part, plus it comes almost in the eastern region if you move from Punjab towards Assam. Then second Lucknow, it is in UP, third Jaipur, Rajasthan, and Gandhinagar, that is D in Gujarat. So if we arrange this pattern of India, then if you notice, then India is like this. All right. Now let's point out all these cities in this particular place. So I'm like showing it from the red color. This one is Patna above Ganga in Bihar. Second one Lucknow, this one here in UP. Third Jaipur, so I can make it here. And Gujarat Gandhinagar, so you can make nearby, this is Ahmedabad. So if you see, Patna is first, Lucknow is second, Jaipur is third, and Gandhinagar is fourth. So according to this sequence, you have to go like this. All right. So your answer should be A, B, C, D. So only option that is correct is A, B, C, D. So if anybody has concluded that this is the answer, congratulations to them, they are correct. Okay. So this question is correct. All right. Let's move to next question. Next question is, which one of the following is the reclassified as dwarf planet in 2006? So everybody knows from our primary school studies, we already understood Pluto. Once upon a time we included it as a solar system planet of ours, but since we, according to our limited scientific knowledge, we have excluded Pluto from our solar system. We did not consider Pluto as a planet of our solar system, but after 2026, or sorry, after 2006, we reconsider our Pluto as a not as a solar system planet, but since its shape and size looks like planet, and it is small also and farthest, so we consider it as dwarf planet. Okay, so Pluto is the dwarf planet that we have reconsidered. So we don't have to go too much depth about it. Next, the Nagas primarily inhabit a mountainous country located along the Patkai range, which lies between India and China, India and Bhutan, India and Myanmar, and India and Bangladesh. Now, let's understand this for my aspirant friends who are facing problem in map geography. They will also understand this. Simply, you just know your state, structure, design. This is the Nagaland structure, design. Now, this part we generally know. This red color shows international border, and the green color shows national border that is shared with the other states nearby Nagaland. So this northern, southern and western parts are connected with other states of India. Red part is connected with Myanmar. Okay, now let's make Patkai. Patkai comes from Arunachal. It is an extension of Himalaya from Dihang Gorge and comes down till center and eastern part of Nagaland. So it covers Kifre, Twinsang, Mon district, all those. Now the question is very simple. Nagas primarily inhabited of mountainous country located Patkai range. This is Patkai Bum. Actually the complete name is Patkai Bum. Okay, Patkai Bum range. So which lies between where? India and Myanmar, according to the option. India and Myanmar. This is India and this is Myanmar, okay, or Burma, right? So the right answer is India and Myanmar. Next question is, consider the following statements about greenhouse. A greenhouse is made up of glass. Absolutely correct. It can be made of glass, and we can also consider in our atmosphere by the greenhouse gases. Second, the greenhouse is transparent to outgoing long wave radiation. No, greenhouse gas is not transparent or opaque to all long wave radiation. It is opaque or transparent to short wave radiation. That's what we understand in climatology, that sun rays comes in a form of short waves. Therefore, our greenhouse gases do not block them, do not actually prevent them. They actually allow them to enter in our atmosphere and fall on land, right? At night, Earth reflects the heat back in the form of long wave radiation. That's why it is always said that cloudy nights are warmer than clear nights. Okay. Now, so second option is wrong. The glass prevents short wave radiation going outside. That is also wrong. Now, the temperature inside the glass house structure is warmer than outside. So the right answer is A and D. So C is the right answer. All right. Next question. Match the list. We will have to make the diagram. We will see through diagram, especially those mapping based questions. This is a mapping based question. So let's focus quickly on India. All right. Let's make these reverse. Okay. This is a rough shape of India that I have made here, just for better understanding of the student. Let's see. Now, first river of our is Indus. Indus, we all know it comes out of Kailash range, that is in China, that is in this Tibet side. So from Kailash range, this goes through these. This is the pattern of the Indus river flowing in northern part of India, enters in Pakistan. Here, one of the important tributary of Indus in India territory is Jhanskar. Okay, so Jhanskar comes from down towards this. There is a mountain Jhanskar also here. So this river comes out of that Jhanskar. That mountain is located in this portion, and here we have Ladakh regions. Okay, so Jhanskar river joins Indus. Second, Ganga. We all know about Ganga. Ganga is the longest river in India. It comes out of Gangotri as a Bhagirathi. After Devprayag, it converts into Ganga and enters in West Bengal and Bangladesh as Padma. Now, Ganga has Kosi river tributary in Bihar. So it comes from Nepal down till here. This is Kosi. Third is Krishna. This is Krishna. Okay. So Krishna rivers comes out of the lower sections of Maharashtra, goes to the eastern coastal parts of India. Plus Bhima is one of the important tributary, again come out of Maharashtra and join Krishna. Okay, so this is also correct. Kaveri we have is lower section of this southern part, which comes from Karnataka, enters in Tamil Nadu. All right, and we also heard about Kaveri water dispute going for decades, right? So Kaveri have Amravati, so that is also correct. It is from the north side, it connects with north side. So this is correct, this is correct, this is correct. Even if you don't know the answer of any one or two, still you will be able to answer, because options are so easy. That A is 1, A is I, okay, B is 3, no, wrong ho gaya. A is 3, wrong, no, wrong ho gaya. A is I, okay, B is 2, okay, Krishna is 3, C is 3 and D is 4, automatically done. So elimination method bhi kar sakte hain. You guys can do elimination method also, where just see where the C is. C is 3, all right. So C is 3, that's why this is the right option, all right. So according to the picture also, India, all right. Let's move to the next. Next question is, extracts of which of the following plants found in Himachal Pradesh and Arunachal Pradesh have been successfully used in anti-cancer drugs? This was so much in news, but this is a factual type of current affair. So you can simply know that Himalayan yew is that lucky plant. All right. Next, which of the following endorsed as a global forest principles and adopted Agenda 21 for achieving sustainable development in the 21st century? Now, when we talk about this global agenda of climate change, forest reconstruction, right, conservations, climate change issues, everything, then we first go to the 1992, when UNCED meeting held in Rio de Janeiro. We also call it Rio Declaration or Rio Convention, all right, 1992. Now, through this convention, multiple aspects of related to the environment and climate change occurred. We also know it from UNFCCC, that was also held in 1992. That means United Nations Framework on Climate Change, all right, Conference on Climate Change, all right. So the right answer here is Rio Convention, which was talking about the global forest principles. Agenda 21. Agenda 21 means, please remember this, very important, all the aspirants. Agenda 21 means 21st, 21 represent here is 21st century. The agenda of 21st century that was adopted in 1992 after UNCED meeting in Rio de Janeiro. All right. And after this only, remember, SDGs were adopted by UN. That is Sustainable Development Goals. Total 17 Sustainable Development Goals. All right. Rio Convention. Next. Which of the following is non-renewable source of energy? Everybody knows biomass is renewable, solar energy is renewable, wind energy is renewable, coal is the right answer. Let me add some more information for the benefit of the aspirant. Coal is prime non-renewable resource for India. 82% of electricity in India is generated through coal, and that is done by NTPC, Maharatna Company PSU sector. All right. Next, ninth, which of the following surface wind blows in particular direction in one season but reverses in the other? So options are monsoon, Chinook, Mistral and Bice. See, one is from Asia, that is monsoon, other are from different countries. All right. Now, monsoon is the right answer, because we know monsoon in India are of two types. One is southwest monsoon, which starts from the Arabian Sea and Indian Ocean and Bay of Bengal. Okay, but southwest monsoon इसलिए कहते हैं हम लोग. Why? Because the first monsoon starts from southwest part of India, that is from Western Ghats. All right. Plus monsoon, when it comes or reach till low pressure regions of Tibet, it again retreats. It comes back after getting too much cold from Tibet. When it comes back, it enters from northeast, that is Arunachal Pradesh. That is why while returning this monsoon, we also call this type of monsoon as a northeast monsoon, or we also call it retreating monsoon. Okay, so the right answer is it goes in a one direction, then it comes in a different season. All right, in winter, October to December. All right, so this is the right answer, that is monsoon. Next, last question. Last is, by which date does monsoon normally completely withdraw from the northern Indian plain? Now, the biggest controversial question as of now, because this is a very generalized statement without accepting that the fact is this is not a factual question. It cannot be predicted as when the total or complete withdrawal will be happen, since we also going through a climate change and every scientific organization are showing their concern on the pattern of monsoon season changes. But still, since the question been asked, our answer is straightforward, 25th of September. But NSSB real keys, answer keys have given 15th October. All right. Now, this is a challenging question. Why? Because of from so many sources, and being as a faculty of geography of teaching 13 years almost, the monsoon is such kind of local winds, seasonal winds, which sometimes are early withdrawal winds and sometimes delayed withdrawal winds. But we cannot consider that as a permanent feature of the monsoon. According to Indian Meteorological Department data, the entire northern plains does not consist Punjab, Haryana. Northern plains, according to Indian physiography, consist Punjab, Haryana, UP, Bihar, West Bengal northern areas and Assam. Now, this entire northern plains together also do not show anywhere related to the mid of October or end of October or the beginning of October of withdrawal of northern plain winds. And I will show you one of the diagram which Indian Meteorological Department has published in their own website for the benefit of the citizens. That is this one. All right. As you guys all can see, first information I'll show you first. After that, I'll explain. Number one, information in this diagram which has given is southwest monsoon withdrawn from entire country. Remember, entire country on 16th October 2025. All right. This is not a general pattern of it. There is no any timeline mentioned in the question. Second, these are winds. Totally depends on low pressure and high pressure creation. And if anything disturbs in terms of low pressure or high pressure, let's say El Nino came in that year, then this pattern of withdrawal changes. There are so many aspects. I will make monsoon video separately with all the concepts which is required for UPSC. NPSC aspirants can also take benefit of that. Okay. Now, finally, you see actual dates in blue, actual dates of withdrawal, normal dates of withdrawal. There is no confirmed dates. Nobody can give confirmed dates of withdrawal. Okay. But the options are confirmed dates of withdrawal. The question you will read is not in expected or understanding level of generalized way. All right. Now, let me show you. These are the blue one. These western ghats are not northern plains. Here blue color shows 13th to 15th October. All right. 10th to 12th October. But look at here. These are Punjab, Haryana and UP plains till here. If you can see 26th of September to 9th of October. Nobody can give exact date of withdrawal. Okay. Nobody can give. No any further advanced technology in the world can predict any time or 1 hour complete prediction of this will go till 1 hour, this will go till 25 September. No, it's not that. The answer from our side which has given is after calculating all the aspects, and the nearest answer close to the question is given, that is 25th of September. Next, 14 to 15 September, as you can see, the northern Rajasthan and southern Punjab. 16 to 21st September, the entire Punjab. 22 to 23 September, northern Punjab. If you can see Haryana, same. All right. If you can see this, 24 September to 9th October. Okay. Now you read the question again. by which date does monsoon normally completely withdraw from the northern Indian plain? Understood my point? This is the way of confusion. I do not find this question valid for benefit of the students, but since this question been asked, we have to answer. So the closest resource of northern India we have to consider something. So northern India if we consider, or northern plains if we consider, okay, then as I have shown you in this picture is not made by me. This is, you can go in the IMD website, there also this picture is given, you can take the reference from that also. So there clearly mentioned 26th September to 9th October is nowhere close to 15th October. Okay, now 26th September is close to 25th September. Another point, 14th-15th September, that is the lower part of Punjab, upper part of Rajasthan. That does not entirely comes in that way. That comes also in desert plains. Second, 16 to 21, again nearby 25th on an average, the according to the given options. Okay, 22 to 23 September, as you can see, all these numbers are giving reference more close to the 25th September rather than 15th of October. All right, now in northeast India, sometimes it reach till or withdrawn sometimes till 13th of October. But remember, in question there is no specific place mentioned, only the northern plains of India mentioned. I am saying in northeast India this, but in mainland north plain India, mainland north plain, I am considering entire north plain, but mainland north plain, this is the main concentration. If you guys will have further doubts, you can write on comment. I'll definitely explain those answers. Okay, so this is it with the explanation of geography part of NSSB. I hope you guys will found it well informative and support us in upcoming videos. Thank you very much. Good luck for your preparation.